Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker engine latest version on Kali Linux 2025.1a. Okay, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Open any web browser, also open terminal, verify whether we have the Docker installed or not. Sudo docker -- version. See, we don't have Docker. Even if you run without hyphen also, you will get the same output. See, Docker is not installed. Okay, Control L to clear screen. Now go to docs.docker.com. Enter. Then click on manuals. Click on Docker engine. Then click on install. See, here we don't have Kali Linux, but go to terminal, more/etc os-release. See, so code name is like Debian. So click on Debian. Then scroll down. First we have to uninstall if there are any older versions. Copy this entire command, paste it, hit enter. Now installation methods. See, here we have different methods, but I am going to show you how to install by using this desktop apt repository. See, these are the commands. Install using apt repository. Okay, first update the packages. Control A, sudo apt get update, hit enter. Control A. Now install the CA certificates and call. Copy this command, paste it, hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Control A. Now install this keyring. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now import this GPG key, paste it, hit enter. Now change the permissions. Paste. Now we have to add this repository to apt sources. So copy this one, paste it, but from this bracket to dollar, remove and give the bookworm. Hit enter. Now update the packages. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. See, it is typo. I must give the, it is O, not A. So give O and hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages again. Sudo apt get update. Hit enter. See, this time we are not receiving any error. It is done. Now come down. If you want to install latest version, you have to copy this entire command. If you want to install specific version, we have to find the version here. Okay. So I want to install latest one. So select entire command, copy it, paste it, hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Docker. First verify the status of the Docker service. Sudo systemctl status Docker. See, Docker is installed and it is active and running. It is enabled. Q to quit, Control N. Now verify the version of the Docker that we have installed. Sudo Docker version. See, here we have installed Docker 28.0.4, but if you run with Docker version, it will give the limited output and also see here permission denied error. So to avoid this error, we have to run the command sudo usermod $-a caps G, then $user. Now we have to give group name, then $user, which means current user. It is done, but even after running this command also, we won't get the output. So to get output without sudo, we have to log off and log in back this current user. Okay. So now we also verify by trying to running this Docker image, that is hello world image. Sudo Docker run hello world. It is typo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Docker Engine latest version on Kali Linux 2025. As I told you, the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.